Mount Dora summers can be intense. When your AC isn't keeping up, it's time to call the pros. TopTech Air Solutions offers fast, professional air conditioning installation for homes and businesses in Mount Dora, Florida. We evaluate your space, recommend the right energy-efficient system, and install it with expert precision, on time and on budget. A well-installed AC system means better airflow, fewer repairs, and energy savings month after month. Locals in Mount Dora trust TopTech Air Solutions for fast service, honest pricing, and expert results. Need reliable AC installation in Mount Dora? Call TopTech Air Solutions today at 407-557-7935 or visit us online to get your free estimate.